right, to solve by quadratic formula, we need to figure out what a, b, and c are, and we need to get everything on one side. With quadratic formula, it doesn't really matter what side you put everything on, but I just like to get in the habit of making sure x squared is positive. So I'm going to move these terms over here. All right, so that's going to give us x squared minus x minus 2 equals 0. And that means a is the number in front of x squared, 1. B is negative 1 right here in front of x, and c is negative 2. And so now when I plug everything into quadratic formula, negative b, well, b is already negative, so when I plug it in, it turns into a positive 1, plus minus. B squared, that's negative 1 squared, which means it's negative 1 times negative 1, which gives us a positive 1, minus 4, and then a times c. Now, a times c, that's 1 times negative 2, that's negative 2, all over 2a. A is 1, so 2 times that is 2. So we have 1 plus minus the square root, 1 here. And then I'm going to multiply this together, but remember we have 2 negatives here, so that's going to make a positive. And then 4 times 2 is 8. All that is over 2. Bring it over here. 1 plus 8, that's 9. So we have 1 plus minus the square root of 9 all over 2. The square root of 9 is 3. So we have 1 plus minus 3 over 2. 1 plus 3 is 4. So actually, let me write that out. I'm going to go ahead and write that out. Whoops. Okay, so I'm going to do 1 plus 3 and then divide by 2. And then I'm going to write out 1 minus 3 divided by 2. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. That's one solution. 1 minus 3 is negative 2. Divided by 2 is negative 1. So your two solutions, x equals 2 and x equals negative 1.